Higher soul, we on the go, yeah, you ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy. You ain't a friend of me if you used to envy me. Don't petty me, keep that same energy, yeah.
We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store, yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stallin'. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now I'm wildin', can't afford it. We was in the stool every week, kept recording. Wrote this whole verse while I'm sitting on the toilet. Fly out to New Orleans, won't be back until the morning. Money was a shortage, we was feeling corny. All I really wanted was help grandma pay the mortgage. Loading up the vault till we had to pay for storage. Knew the work we put in would pay off and be rewarded. Yeah, and now we on it. See it how we call it. Now these hoes be swarming. If I tell you once, that's a warning. If I tell you twice, then it's on your third time will be a charm. Yeah. We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store, yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stallin'. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. They gon' try and milk you till you bone dry, oh my. We could do the trap, or the rap, or the lo-fi. Had to cut my old ones off, too much soul ties. Takes that time heals, we gon' see when it go by. Shampoo the bed, then I hit it with the blow dry. When I come back, I'm like MJ with the 4-5. Conscious in the cut, yeah you know, that's the bro God. If they go low, thumbs up, we gon' go high. Yeah, it's up, then it's stuck. Can't block my goals, cause I don't give a fuck. And heart on ice, you gon' need a shovel up, yeah. When we in the building, they know the double up. We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store, yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stallin'. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go we can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the dignity and wine. So kind of you neck is started. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kidding, lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over
Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blow it up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, yeah. I just caught a groove, yeah. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't talking my money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up and I stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trip. No, 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 no. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trip. Tempo, tempo. You keep up with my tempo, tempo.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, Just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took it down, and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. You.
Try to turn you off, but you never had an off switch. Yeah. Trying to make you stop, girl, I wish you would've told me. Oh, had you in my bed, now you all up in my head. Never thought I'd feel so lonely. Wish I would've known, I wish you would've told me. But you don't wanna talk about it. Talk about it. Talk about it. You don't wanna talk about it. Try to take it slow, but you never had a low speed. Ay. And I've been feeling cold, thinking about the old me. Yeah, I'm out of my head, trying to deal with my emotions. I know what I felt when we dove into the sheets. Wish I would've known, I wish you would've told me. But you don't wanna talk about it. Talk about it. Talk about it. You don't wanna talk, babe. You don't wanna talk. You don't wanna talk. You don't wanna talk. But you don't wanna talk about it. Talk about it. Had you in my brain, now you're all up in my head. Never thought I'd feel so lonely. Wish I would've known, I wish you would've told me. You don't wanna talk about it. You don't wanna talk about it, baby. You don't wanna talk about it. Talk about it. You don't wanna talk about it.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'ma flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up. They got amnesia, don't remember how they played us. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up.
Look, straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving.